Welcome all of you. So in this video we will talk about one of the benchmark research work, which is this kind of nanoformulations, and especially the bio-nanomaterials which make or which is responsible for recovering from the any spinal cord injuries. And what happening here, so they have developed some layered double hydroxide nanoparticles. And what this layered double hydroxide nanoparticle does, this layered double hydroxide nanoparticles, layered double hydroxide nanoparticles, when these has been applied over any spinal cord injuries areas, so it ignites some kind of transforming growth factors around that. It inhibits some kind of immunogenic cells like white blood cells, because that create the irritations and it delay the recovery of spinal cord injuries. But on the same time, it ignite the transforming growth factors. So these transforming growth factors, beta 2 receptors, and there are some other growth factors also, so which is very helpful for getting recovery from the spinal cord injuries. So this LDH ignite that also. But apart from that, scientists also claiming this is something they have observed, but this is not exact the LDH able to do, and they assuming this LDH is act like clay or a soil, where anything like in a soil we embedded any kind of seeds, so seeds get every kind of nutrition and it get grow. So this LDH is not like it's providing the nutrition. The only thing is that it's protecting its surrounding spinal cord injuries areas, and apart from that, it igniting or relighting other factors which are responsible for recovery of spinal cord injuries. So that's what, but exact step by step what the concrete way, what exactly LDH is doing is still under mystery, so people are trying to do. And apart from that, because see, any kind of central nervous system injuries, whether it's a brain, whether it's a spinal cord injuries, is always mystery, because sometime I will talk about why it is a mystery, because it's not as straightforward as other somatic cells or other even any kind of disease cell like cancers get recovered, or how we recover from other diseases. In the case of any kind of nerve injury is totally different, because that is the one major difference between the nerve cells and somatic cells, is that nerve cells cannot go for any kind of cell division the way the other somatic cells are doing it. So that is one of the problems. And how this recovery happening, so actually, so whatever the connection between the dendroids or dendrites or axons, so we lose that connection between dendrites and axons, and during after some injuries and all, and during the injuries. So that's why we lost some features, like maybe some memory loss may happen, some other spinal cord related injuries can happen. So what exactly happening here, until unless these attachments or this connection between the dendrites and axons it not recover, then it's very hard to say the patient get recovered fully. And even and this is one reason, like anyone if they need to go through the brain surgeries, especially the neuronal surgeries, so it is always one thing the doctors or medical person make clear, that after these neuronal surgeries and all, patient personality may change, because they can't go for so much precise, because any kind of loose in connections between the axons, dendrites, neural cells can lead to a major impact on the human behavior and physiology. So that can happen, because, and this is why the brain mapping is going on. When we are not still get success in that, in brain mapping, what the people are trying, they just try to see whether and which thing get ignited. Some success is there, but not exactly. So but still there is still this very commendable and very recognizable research work, because see, even in the normal, without applying the LDH or without applying such things, maybe spinal cord injuries recovery happens suppose in a year or maybe in a 6 month, because that's a major impact. So maybe after this LDH or maybe some other formulation or any other remedies which is like LDH and which igniting or which lighting the recovery, or which creating the environment which is friendly environment to recover from such kind of neural injuries, it is very beneficial. Maybe we can recover a little bit lesser time. Still, those are the path breaking research work. So that's what for this video. If you need further knowledge on that, like about the neural cells, divisions, and other conceptuals, and about this what is the potential of the nanoparticle, what we can do, and even anything what we have discussed today, like we have discussed in this video. So just DM me, and then we will see how we can proceed. So that's it for this video now, and for the other video, sorry, I'm just fumbling. Let's meet you with another video with some different topic, and then till then, bye, take care.